What is going on, guys? This is the Ikkegol Slim Mini Keyboard. Let's check it out. This keyboard is extremely cheap at $17 and is advertised as a light portable keyboard. It consists of 78 keys, which are X-scissor membrane keys. These are easy to press and the same size as usual laptop keys. The slim profile and lightweight design allows it to be portable, and the 1.5 meter cable makes it easy to plug into any computer, even around the back. However, it isn't removable, and the part which is attached to the keyboard looks really weak. In terms of size, it measures 28.5 by 12 centimeters. There are multiple color options, from this silver and white to all black and the silver and black option. There are the usual LED indicators for num, caps and scroll lock at the top right hand of the keyboard. The blue LEDs are extremely bright, which causes light to bleed into the neighboring indicators. Also, due to the smaller number of keys, scroll lock can only be turned on by having num lock activated, though honestly it is not a big issue since most people don't use it. Again, because of the lack of space, the F11 and F12 keys double up on the F1 and F2 respectively. On Amazon, someone complained about when pressing one key, it would repeat multiple times, but during the time I used it, I didn't experience this. Overall, there isn't anything exceptionally great or horrible about it, but if you're looking for a cheap keyboard at merely $17, then this might be something for you. Until next time, don't forget to keep it real.